Understanding throat culture, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, throat culture. This term is often used in medical contexts, so understanding it can be very helpful, especially if you're navigating healthcare settings. Let's dive in and learn together. Throat culture is a medical term used to describe a test that checks for the presence of bacteria or other microorganisms in a person's throat. This test is usually done when a doctor suspects a throat infection, such as strep throat. The process involves taking a sample from the back of the throat with a cotton swab. It's a common procedure in clinics and hospitals. A throat culture is primarily done to diagnose bacterial infections in the throat. It helps doctors identify the specific type of bacteria causing the infection. This information is crucial because it determines the most effective treatment, usually involving antibiotics. Understanding this term is important if you're discussing symptoms or treatments with healthcare professionals. The procedure for a throat culture is quite straightforward. A healthcare professional will ask you to open your mouth wide and say, "Ah." This makes the throat more visible and accessible. Then, they gently swab the back of the throat, around the tonsils, and any other areas that appear inflamed or infected. The swab is then sent to a lab for testing. In everyday conversation, you might hear throat culture in various contexts. For example, someone might say, "The doctor took a throat culture to check for infection." It's a term specific to medical contexts but can also appear in discussions about health and wellness. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of throat culture and its relevance in healthcare. Remember, understanding such terms not only enriches your English vocabulary but also prepares you for real-life situations, especially in medical settings. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.